Okay, so I think we got our cutouts for 4 here.
Yep.
And our triangle is getting a little distorted, but that's alright. I think people can see what it is. Alright, so can we arrange these 4 pieces into something similar that looks like a triangle?
Yes. So this is approximately a triangle.
Interesting. Okay. Alright, interesting. So this is sort of a beginning step and this is a later step.
Yeah. And it does get
It seems like it's wider here.
How can you tell?
I'm gonna just take these
Oh, okay. It is wider, alright.
and
a
then
little wider. And it's definitely shorter.
very tall.
Okay, and what do you think in terms of, like, what do you think is a better triangle?
This is a better approximation for a triangle.
This one, or what do you think?
Yeah, because it's a better this one is a better approximation because as the pieces get smaller and smaller, the angle, this curve gets like less and less curvy,
Okay.
and so they'll kind of connect if you do it infinitely.
I gotcha, and you don't think this one connects very well?
No, because there's this area, and this area, and this area.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So, math is about finding patterns.
Yeah.
So we gotta see if we can see a pattern here, and maybe this is step 1 and this is step 2, or who knows? Or maybe there's something in between these that we could find.
Well, I mean,
So, what do you think?
You went from 2 pieces on the bottom to 4.
Okay.
And you went from 2 height pieces to 4.
All right.
And you went from 4 total pieces to 16.
Okay.
So
Maybe that has something to do with it.
Maybe. Yeah.
When you multiply by 4, you have another 2 on the base and another 2 on the height.
Okay. Do you think there's any other way we could think about like what might come if there was one that came in between these? Like what would it look like?
It might a logical guess might be 8.
8 what?
8 of these arc pieces.
Okay. And how would those be arranged?
Well, I mean, maybe you'd have 3 on the. So let's see. If you had 3 on the going along the bottom, means you'd have 2 going like this,
Okay.
and then you could have 2 going here, and then 1, and then another 1.
Ah. Okay. I mean, can you illustrate that triangle? Maybe you can modify this triangle a little. This one here a little bit. I don't think you need to touch that one.
So.
But can you illustrate your triangle that you just talked about?
This isn't very good, but something like this.
Ah, okay. So it would go. And how did you describe that process? How did
it goes from 3 pieces that are facing up and on the bottom.
Yeah.
Then you have 2 of these pieces. 2 of these.
Yeah.
Plus another 1. Plus this.
Interesting.
But this isn't 8.
No, that's interesting. How many pieces is it?
It's 9.
Okay. So what's our pattern look like now?
4, 9, 16. Well,
could it be
squares.
Square numbers?
Yeah.
I guess if you had 1, it's sort of hard to
Approximation.
work with. But
Yeah, well, I mean, it would just be a circle, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, but it's hard to even know, like, what, is that a good triangle?
No,
I
not
also see a pattern in how you add them on.
Oh, you do?
So when we go from here to this one, if you can kind of see the old triangle, we add on these pairs of 2 until we get to the top, and then we add 1, and we do the same thing here.
Oh, interesting.
So we've added on, well, if you start with the circle, they add on 1 pair on the top, 2 pairs on the top, 3 pairs on the top.
Oh, wow, really cool. Okay. So what do you think would be the next...
So you'd add on 9.
Actually, hold on, let's break the movie here. Let's leave it here.